What should I study? Let's get started. Mom, can we talk?
Of course. What's bothering you?
It's about university. I feel lost.
That's okay. It's a big decision.
I don't know what to study.
You're not alone. Many students feel the same.
I'm scared, I'll choose the wrong course.
What makes you feel that way?
AI is changing everything.
Yes, it's reshaping the world.
What if my future job gets replaced by AI?
That's a smart concern.
I don't want to waste years studying something useless.
You won't. Let's think it through.
I just want to make the right choice.
And you will, with guidance and reflection.
I feel pressure.
From school or friends?
From myself. And from not wanting to disappoint you.
Oh, my love. You could never disappoint me.
I'm not good at science.
That's okay. You don't have to be.
But tech is the future, right?
It's part of the future, but not the whole story.
Everyone talks about coding and AI.
And that's great, for those who enjoy it.
I feel left behind.
You have other strengths.
Like what?
You're creative. You care deeply. You think before you speak.
I guess that's true.
Those are powerful traits.
Can they help me earn a living?
Absolutely.
How can they help?
Let's talk about 4 key skills: creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and problem solving.
Okay.
Creativity helps you come up with new ideas, designs, and solutions.
So it's not just about art?
Exactly. It's about innovation in any field.
That makes sense.
Critical thinking helps you analyze situations and make smart decisions.
Like solving puzzles?
Yes, and making sense of complex problems.
Got it.
Emotional intelligence helps you understand people, manage emotions, and build strong relationships.
That sounds important.
It is. It's what makes great leaders and team players.
And problem solving?
Every job has problems. Solving them makes you valuable.
So I should study something that builds those skills?
Yes. And something you enjoy.
I like psychology.
That's a great choice.
And maybe design.
Psychology and design can work beautifully together.
Like user experience design?
Exactly. It's the process of considering users' experience when using a product or service.
That sounds exciting.
You'd be shaping how people interact with technology. It's meaningful.
What about education?
Teaching will always need human connection.
True.
Or business, especially if you combine it with tech or creativity.
Like marketing?
Or entrepreneurship.
I've always liked coming up with ideas.
You're a natural innovator.
I just don't want to be stuck.
You won't be. You're building skills for life.
I feel like I have to get it perfect.
There's no perfect path.
But what if I regret my choice?
You can always change direction.
Really?
Many students switch majors or add minors.
That's a relief.
University is about growth, not just job training.
I never thought of it that way.
It's a journey, not a race.
I just want to make you proud.
You already do.
Even if I don't study something big?
Your happiness matters more than prestige.
I love that you say that.
I mean it.
I'll try my best.
That's all I ask.
What if I take a wrong turn?
You know the saying, all roads lead to Rome.
What does it mean?
It means there are many paths to success.
So even if I start somewhere else,
You can still reach your goals.
that's comforting.
Life isn't a straight line.
I needed to hear that.
Every experience teaches you something.
Even mistakes?
Especially mistakes.
I think I've made up my mind.
Tell me.
I want to study psychology, and minor in digital media.
That's a smart and balanced choice.
It feels right.
You'll learn about people and technology.
And maybe work in user experience or mental health tech.
That's future-ready and meaningful.
I'm nervous but excited.
That's the best feeling.
I'll work hard.
And I'll be cheering you on.
What if AI changes again?
You'll adapt by staying curious and learning continuously.
I'll keep building my skills.
That's the key.
I want to help people.
That's a beautiful goal.